Hey there again. This is Locksmith Silver. I got this sledge deadbolt from where I was working at. They were going to throw it away, and I decided to um, take it out of the door and bring it with me so I can try to lockpick it. It has security pins. It's pretty good. Deadbolt, the sledge, 6 pins, and I'm going to try to pick it with a W rake that I made, a special rake. As you can see, it's like kind of slanted, and my regular homemade tension wrench. Let's see if I can do it. I'm going to feel it first. Okay, here it goes. I got a set fault. Let's come out. Yep, got it open. As you can see, I got it open. Be safe and do not steal.